Hi everyone, I'm here with a haul from Potomac Beads. I placed this order on December 29th and it shipped on the 30th, and it shipped from Maryland, and I live in southeastern Pennsylvania. I just received this January 20th when I'm filming this. I'm just happy I got it, yay. So I don't know, it looks like everything was wrapped. This bag was sort of curled up, wrapped in this bubble wrap, and then this is a free item, and these were separate in the bag. So hopefully, I'm sure they're fine because they're in tubes. Let me take them out of the bags and see what we have here, because honestly, I forgot what I've ordered since it was so long ago. But we'll see what we can find out. Hopefully they're labeled, because I don't know if I'll be able to identify everything. Those, I think I know what those are, and these, and they're the first things I got. Okay, okay, so the first thing I got were these white Labrador full feather beads, and I don't remember how much is supposed to be in them. Oh, pack of 25. Says it right on it, and I have I bought two because I figured if I want to do a decent sized project I might need more than 25, or you know, like use one on a necklace. So it says ornate detailed bird feather beads with white Labrador full finish on them. So these are 5 by 17 millimeter, and I don't remember, I think things were on sale, but I don't know that I got everything that was on sale. In other words, some might not have been. So full Labrador basically means a silver type coating, and they're very detailed, and they are top drilled, meaning it goes through the top, so they'll dangle like this, and I think they're beautiful. So I got them in the full Labrador. Forgive my inky fingers, they're stained from my other channel. Some projects I've been working on today. And then these are also feather beads, but these are in what they're calling alabaster aqua wash. So I thought these looked like robin's egg blue almost, maybe a little paler, but I thought they'd I could interpret them for spring. They'd be really pretty, right? So they're white, what do they call them? Alabaster, which is the white, aqua wash. So they just have, it's almost like a watercolor effect on the white feather. So I thought those were gorgeous and had to get those. So these were $3.39 for a pack of 25. These were $5.09 for a pack of 25. So they were a little more understandable. The metallics always seem to be a little more. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I showed it to you, but this is explaining what some of their newer crystals are. So cosmic rings, trillion stones, helix, triangles, olives. I don't remember seeing those, but I might have. Teardrops, cubes, in apparently several sizes. Tilted dice. I might have seen them, but I didn't get them, I don't think. And lemon. Huh. And then on the back of this little card has a useful information on how many beads per inch you need when you're seed beading. So, or how many are in approximately a gram, and how many you need for based on the size of the different types. Miyuki seed beads, Miyuki delicas, Toho seed beads, Czech seed beads, and Charlotte seed beads, which are about a size 13. Oh no, size 15 it says. Huh, I thought Charlotte's were a 13. Anyway, what do I know? Okay, then we have sunflower beads. These, I believe, are Czech glass, but, and I just like them, so I had to get them. These were $4.24. They're in white opal travertine. Oh, they're cute. They're a little smaller than what I was thinking, but that's okay. I really like them. The size on them is 12 millimeter. So they're really cute. I like them. Double-sided. These are Czech glass. So those are pretty. Sunflower, they're called. Sunflower beads. I actually can't wait to use those in something. Then we have tubelet beads. That's these, I believe. 2-hole bell, no. Tubelet. These are tubelets, and these I think are tubelets. Alright, so the first ones I got are in pastel petrol, which is this, sort of looks like an, like an oil slick. Well, there you have it. I don't know where they get the pastel from, but it does look like a blue, kind of an oil slick on the ground. Definitely blue, like a metallic blue, and I think that's a beautiful color. And I don't have any of these, so that's why I got them. And they're 1-hole beads, number 25033, I think. I'm not sure if that's the number, or this says tubelet 25033, but I don't know which number. This is the Potomac Beads number 400020. And then I also got them in jet hematite, which is a little bit of a shinier, sort of silvery. Jet is black, you know, and then hematite is like that silvery color. So that's what they look like. And they're, do they have the size on them? They're 6 by 2.8 millimeter. 2.8 millimeter wide, 6 millimeter long. So decent size, so they'll be fun to play with. And then I got some crystal, Potomac crystal rings. Oh goodness. I got a bunch of them apparently. I got Volcano and 14 millimeter, and these were $3.39 for a pack of 4, and apparently I got 2 packs of those. They're like, they're gorgeous. They're like color changing, pinky purple. Oops. That's, see how they sort of change color? They got some greens and purples and pinks. They're just so pretty. They're called Cosmic Rings. Volcano is the color. And they're in 14 millimeter. So I got 2 packs in the 14 millimeter because I figured that is a good size for like an earring or something. Now they're one-sided because they have a silver backing. They're meant to like be beaded around or something. And then I got them also in 20 millimeter because I think these would make gorgeous pendants, or links, or both. So these are, now these look more purple to me. When I hold them up there, I see more green, yellow, whatever, and pink here. But when I hold them down here, to me, I see more purple. Wow, they're gorgeous. Let me see the backs. These are a little thicker too. They just say 20 millimeter. They don't really give you the depth, but I think that's probably about 5 millimeter thick. The other ones are not quite as thick. So I have to see if I can figure out something to make with these. I just love the colors. And then I did the same kind of thing, but in Blue Emerald, it's called. I got 2 of the 14 millimeter. Okay, so the Volcano 14 millimeter and these were $3.39 for a pack of 4. And I got 2 of them. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this color. Blues and greens. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Now these don't have holes in them, so you'd have to, you know, link something on or thread something on, stitch around them. They're gorgeous. And then I got them also in the 20 millimeter, which I won't take out of the bag, but you can see how pretty they are. Gorgeous. Okay, so the 14 millimeters $3.39, the 20 millimeters are $5.09, or they were when I bought them. I don't know what they are now. Okay, and then I got long ovals. Oh, here they are. Now these I think I have in a kit, and I bought more of them. These are the Capri Blue 5x15, and I think that's what made me go to their site actually, is because I got these in a kit and I wanted more of them. These have 2 holes. They're like links or connectors, so you can thread through them this way. So you could put them, you know, put something in between them, stitch in between them, and they go like that. They're gorgeous though, the Capri Blue. You know I love the Capri Blue. Love, love, love. I just don't have enough time in the day to do everything I want to do. Oh my goodness. So anyway, and then I got something called Teacup Beads, which I don't believe I'd ever heard of before. So I got them in Topaz, Luster Transparent Topaz Pink Teacup Beads. These were $3.65 for how much? They're 2x4 millimeter. I don't know. 100 beads it says, so they have to be little, right? This is the Luster. They have, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Maybe this one. They're little cups. That's why they're called tea. Yeah, that one you can see it pretty good. They're indented in the middle like a little cup. They're called teacup beads, and the hole is through the middle of them. So I think you would use them like to make maybe like a little embellishment. Put a little seed bead in the middle and go down through. I think they're cute. So I'm going to try something with them. I don't know what. These were $3.65 for 100 beads. And then I got the same thing, but I got them in matte metallic luster. And that's what these look like. They're pretty cool. They'd be cool in a steampunky kind of project, I think, but I don't know if I could pull that off. But aren't they cool? They're different. They look like a metallic mix, because you've got your like pewter color. Those two are stuck together, and sort of a gold color here, but they call them matte metallic luster. More pewtery color than gold, and some are like a silver matte. So it's a mix. You can see them in the tube, I think. There. Okay, and then last, if I can figure out what I just did with them, the bell beads that I had laying here first. Okay, Deb, what'd you do with them? They have to be here. I had them. That's not these. This was a free gift. I got a free gift too of round duos in sort of a olive green color, I guess I'll call it. Lemon green, I don't know. Lemongrass green. Alright, there is a tube here somewhere. And it's little bells. Teacups. It's these. Yeah, 2-hole bell. Okay. It's called White Labrador Fool. These are 2-hole bell beads, 8x5 millimeter. These were $4.07. For some reason, I think these might have been on clearance or something. I don't know. But, oh my gosh, my fingers. I'm so sorry. The holes go down through, so you can see it coming out the bottom of the, well, that one's not a good example. Out the bottom of the bead. Yeah, that one. So you can see them coming out the bottom there. And then also here, and well, I don't know. Some of these might be defects. I don't know. It might just be my eyes. Maybe it strings through this way? That doesn't make sense. I'm gonna have to figure these out because I'm confused how they work. It looks like there's a hole going here, but maybe it just goes across here. It should go down through. I think some of them are, the coating is over the holes. So I don't know, I'll have to figure that out, but they're item 182008, and I didn't give you the items on the other ones, sorry. So anyway, that's it. That's what I got from my order. It was not inexpensive. The cosmic rings cost a good bit when I got so many of them, and also the feathers weren't that cheap either. But they're beautiful, and I don't know if they compare in price anywhere. I mean, these are Potomac crystals, Potomac Beads' own brand for most of all of these anyway. I love these and the feathers, and these are gorgeous. And I know those were a purchase because I've had them in a kit, and the XL kit. So I can't wait to play with the feathers first. I'm curious about the teacups, and of course these are gorgeous, and yeah, I just want to play with it all. Don't know when, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. This is the last haul I'm going to have for a while, other than the kits. I'll still be getting Potomac Beads best bead box, but I'm switching down to the box, not the box XL, going forward, and for 6 months anyway, and we'll see how that goes. And then also the Soft Flex mystery design kits, I'm going to continue with those. I don't think I'll always get the extra strands, but some months I might get one or both, or some months. This month I didn't get either of them, but I did get the kit. And the bargain bead box, of course, I'm going to get every month. And also Annie's Simply Beads Kit of the Month, I'm getting every other month. So I had to look it up. I'm like, why didn't I get a kit this month yet? They didn't ship one. Well, because I signed up to get it every other month, which was a wise decision on my part because of my time constraints. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please come back and watch all my other videos when I post, and I hope to have some finished jewelry pieces up again soon. Can't promise a date, but soon. All right, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.